A trust deed is a legal document used in real estate transactions to secure a loan. Let's look at how it works. At its core, a trust deed acts as security for the lender, ensuring they have a claim on the property if the borrower defaults. Unlike a standard mortgage, which involves two parties, a trust deed involves three distinct roles in the legal agreement. The trustor is the homeowner, the beneficiary is the bank, and the trustee holds the legal title until the loan is fully repaid. The main difference is how a foreclosure happens. Trust deeds often allow for non-judicial foreclosure, which is generally faster than a court process. Because trust deeds bypass the court system in many states, the potential timeline for resolving a default is significantly shorter for lenders. State laws vary, so checking your specific purchase contract is the best way to understand which document governs your loan. Understanding these documents helps you navigate home buying with confidence. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more finance basics.